Hey friends, Paul here. In continuation with my Larkin Chiffonier dresser restoration, I'm going to make one of these slider dowels here. You can see this is broken off here. So I've got a piece of black cherry here, and I've just inscribed the diameter of this dowel here into the black cherry. It's only got to go down a very small amount, so probably about that much, and I'm just going to bring that down to the dimension of that diameter. Alright, I've shaped up this mini dowel piece here with beeswax on the bottom because I think gluing these in is not a good idea because they can break off, as this bottom drawer I demonstrated before. If that's glued in and this breaks off, it's really hard to get that out. So I'm going to put this in without gluing, just with the beeswax holding that in. And that feels pretty good. You can see how that's lining up with this one here. This drawer was fitting pretty tight. Oh, that's much better. That slides in much better with the replaced dowel there. So check it out. Just hand carve a dowel. Any hardwood would be fine, but yeah, it makes a big difference in how these drawers track, as you can see on the bottom there. And I've also hit this with beeswax as well, just to let that glide along the surface of that dowel. Nice.